Set atop a rugged hill, this house stands resilient against the wilderness. Constructed with enduring materials, it's designed to minimize waste and endure through time. The house's only access route is an old rough highway, navigable only by a sturdy 4x4. It took a dedicated earthwork team 3 months to prepare the road for the heavy-duty concrete trucks. Even with the road ready, there were challenges. Each truck could only carry half a load of concrete, emphasizing the remote and demanding nature of this location. Materials like steel, concrete, glass, and plywood form the house's structure, chosen for durability and fire resistance in this wildfire-prone region. The rear of the house is a stark contrast. Rooms are bunker-like, sheltered from harsh weather, creating a cozy and protected environment. The front facade of the home features a glass box design, inviting natural light and sweeping views, merging indoor and outdoor worlds seamlessly. Built to last, this home reflects a commitment to sustainable, thoughtful design, with a focus on reducing waste while meeting modern needs. Its hilltop position and robust materials embody resilience, making the home an architectural haven within the wild. At once bold and intimate, this home is a true testament to the enduring spirit of design, bringing shelter and beauty to a remote, untamed place. A cozy fireplace anchors the living and dining area, adding warmth and intimacy, perfect for gatherings that contrast the home's wild surroundings. The bathroom features sleek, understated details that complement the home's minimalistic aesthetic, with natural textures creating a calm, grounded space. This home is more than just a structure. It's a testament to resilience, seamlessly blending with the landscape while offering comfort and security for generations to come. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.